Amazing Curly got here and I am back with another video. In today's video I'm really excited about, not just because I'm going to be trying a new product, but because for the month of December I'm partnering up with Aunt Jackie. If you don't know who Aunt Jackie is, you probably have been living under a rock. But anyway, they're reviving their line, their Curls and Coils line, and I could not be more excited to partner with them. So the next few videos you see on my channel intermittently will probably be Aunt Jackie's. They have this campaign going on, the AJ Main Attraction, and the product I'm going to be trying out in this particular video is their Aunt Jackie's Flaxseed Recipe Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel. Now I'm pretty sure you guys have probably seen this all over social media at some point in time. I have just gotten it in the mail and I cannot wait to try it. This will be a first impressions, but you guys know I will give you my pap scale. So I'm going to go ahead and jump in the shower and then I'll be right back to show you guys the application, give you guys my thoughts and all of that. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so a little bit about this product. This is the Don't Shrink Flaxseed Elongating Curling Gel, as I said. And this gel says flaxseed, rich in omega fatty acids, promotes hair health from the inside out and helps to prevent dryness and flaking. Aunt Jackie's moisturizing flaxseed recipe adds nourishment to hair while giving bounce and stretch to withering curls, twists, and coils. So we're going to see right now how that works, guys. Because you know products claim a lot of things, but I'm just going to see if this product actually comes through on its claims. So you guys see I'm taking about a quarter size amount for this section, and then I'm just going ahead and smoothing it in the hair. And I did leave this in real time so you guys could actually see how long it took me to apply this product. And as you can see the expression on my face, I am looking like, what is going on? Because this product is defining my curls. As you can see, my curls are falling out. They look plump and juicy, and I didn't even like shingle or anything. So I'm definitely already impressed by that. And yeah, that's all the gel I used on that section, just that quarter size amount of gel. So I'm gonna go ahead and give you a close-up. Pretty self-explanatory, so I'm not gonna bore you guys with that, but just stay tuned. Okay guys, so I'm back and my hair is completely applied. I've applied it all over my hair, and the product applied amazingly, you guys. It just glided through my hair. As you've seen, I think I did leave it in real time so you guys could see how it applied. And of course you guys know I did a wash and go, of course, to jump off this series of products. How else to go about this than a wash and go? I mean, it's literally my favorite style to do. So what I'm going to do now is let my hair air dry, and then I'm going to come back and give you guys my pap scale and the final results. So if you want to see how my hair turned out, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm back and my hair is obviously 100% dry, and as you can see my curls are popping. Now the first thing I'll say that I noticed, my hair never has this much volume first day. This is first day hair, and look at this volume, guys. And this was again like a one product wash and go basically, and it did everything. Look at this. Okay, because I don't want this to be super long, I'm going to go ahead and jump right into my pap scale. So as far as performance, did this gel do what it claimed to do? My curls are bouncy, and they are shiny, and they are full. Did it stop my hair from shrinking? I don't know, you guys tell me down below in the comments. I think my hair is still stretched out a little bit more. I can tell that my hair is sitting a little lower, and I did let my hair air dry. When I try a new product, I do like to let my hair air dry just to not affect the results at all. You know, sometimes diffusing can change the results and all of that. So I did let my hair air dry, and this is what I got. So you guys let me know down below if you think it left my hair elongated. But that is as far as the performance. Accessibility, you can get this on their website. I do believe they also sell Aunt Jackie's in stores. If they do, if I can find it in different stores, I will put it on the screen right here. And then price, these products are so affordable, you guys. This particular product retails for around $6 or $7 depending on where you get it. I do know you can find it in Target and probably Walmart as well, but like I said, I will list that. And this is 15 fluid ounces for $6 or $7. So that's definitely approved by me. And then the smell, you guys, it smells amazing. But it smells like a product I've used before, and I can't really put my finger on what the product is. I think it's another Aunt Jackeis product. I think it may be their Curls and Coils Curl a La Defining Curl Custard that this smells similar to. But yeah, it smells amazing, you guys. So if you ask me, this product will probably get a... For me, I would definitely rate this product probably an 8 out of 10. Reason being is because I can tell that even though my hair looks amazing, I definitely will only be able to get about 3 days out of this wash and go, which is fine because in the winter I do restyle my hair every 3 days, so that's perfect for me. So if you're asking, if you're wondering, if anybody's wondering, this product is definitely CG approved. So would I recommend it to you guys? Yes, I would definitely recommend it. Go out and pick it up. I mean, I did my whole head, and as you can see, the product is still up to here. So I have not used much of it at all. I'll definitely get at least, I hate to estimate, you guys, but I'll definitely get at least 5, 10, maybe more uses out of this. So definitely go check this out. And yeah, I hope you guys stay tuned for this little series because I'm coming with 3 more videos following this one featuring other Aunt Jackie products. Thank you, Aunt Jackie, for sponsoring this video, keeping the lights on, keeping the filming going. And yeah, remember guys, if you can't keep it curly, keep it classy. See you in my next one.